Hello friends, it's Rick and Lisa's Kitchen in the Garden. Today I just made some almond cookies. I made two kinds. One is called the almond shortbread. The other one is called just regular almond cookies. They are all made of almond flour. With Christmas coming, these are a very nice holiday treat. I'd like to share with you how to make them today. The first recipe calls for 1 1/3 cup of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1/3 of a cup of slightly roasted sliver almond slices. Mix them together. Just put in the butter. Put in and give it a good mix. The mixture is nice and moist. It's pretty nice. And then now I can just make balls and press them into cookies. Okay, it's nice and moisture. Very nice. So that's the ball. And you just press it. That's good. Isn't that good? And then you just finish the whole thing and put it in the oven to bake at the 350 for about 10-15 minutes till it's nice and golden brown. The second recipe, it needs 1 1/3 cup of almond flour, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, pinch of salt, teaspoon of orange zest, half teaspoon of baking powder. Make sure it's and half teaspoon of a full teaspoon of vanilla extract. And this 1 egg white needs to be beat into slightly foamy, and not super foamy. And just put it in. And mix it well. Now the dough is pretty much done. It's nice and moist, and you can just make balls out of the dough. Okay, it's pretty much 1 tablespoon per cookie. It's really nice and moist. I'm surprised. I'm very, very impressed with the way it turns out. I probably will make 12 of them too in this batch. This batch I made 12 cookies as well. Now I'm going to put them in the oven to bake. 2 batches of cookies are in cooking. In 12 minutes, these cookies are done. They're still a little bit soft when you take them out of the oven when they are still warm, and then transfer them onto a cold surface to let them cool down. The good thing you make your own cookies is that you can control whatever goes into your cookies. And with the holidays, this is a very good treat, and it's fun making cookies too. I hope you enjoy your cookies. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Merry Christmas!